Hello folks, it's 27th of December and Mr. Chippie's back from his Christmas break, so I've left the tripod in the chapel from when I was doing my Christmas thing, so if you think I'm walking 100 yards in the rain to get it, I'm not. So I've propped it up on a printer behind me and a component box of something or other, so not the normal picture, normal camcorder but not the normal picture. So we've got a GT868 here, it's a Barracuda GT868, and let's see how it performs. Make sure that's there. Tango 21 test.
Standby.
Roger. Well, whilst we do that, we'll plug in our extension speaker. Never sure which. Nope, not the right socket. There we go. So we use our SW711 4-inch speaker as usual.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, now ready?
Roger, off we go.
Roger that.
Left the background music on, so I might come over because the Tannoy system has channel 37 receiver on it. Channel 31 receiver, sorry.
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've not got a tone control.
Roger.
And we're doing, let's look at the clipboard, we're doing 3.4 watts output. And yes, I did calibrate the meter on a dummy load.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Are you on low power? There's a bit of noise on your signal.
No, definitely not. Make sure I'm on the aerial. Yeah, I'm on the aerial.
It sounds like I'm at the other side of the hill, which I'm not yet.
Oh dear.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
What's you got you going through Ancaster Crossroads? I'll check the aerial sockets clean.
Roger. The top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
What's you got you at the top of the hill?
Right, that sounds like it's back to normal.
Probably because you're at the top of the hill. But there you are, this is the new on stop step. There shouldn't have been a reason to clean the pocket, but there you go.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Barracuda GT868 from 1981, so the brake traffic there, doing 3.4 watt Halfords, and I'm on a standard replacement of mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Past the Kelby turn, I think I forgot.
Roger, got you gone past the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Barracuda GT868. These were Halfords lower model, and it is drawing 958 milliamps to 3.4 watts output. I'm on a standard replacement microphone. We're going to go with the low power, and it's 200 milliwatts on this radio. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are, low power. The radio now doing 200 milliwatts, drawing 350 milliamps. And there we are, back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Pretty noisy on low power, I can tell with most of what you said.
Roger on that, with only 200 milliwatts. Up you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
level crossing. Over. 141.9, 149.7.
Well done that, we did better in Bradford, didn't you, at 129.9.
That's right.
Well, thank you very much. We're street, that'll be going down. Yeah, that's it. 10-10.
Roger that. 10-10.
Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
141.9, 149.7.
Roger on that. We did better in Bradford, didn't you, at 129.9?
That's right.
Right, thank you very much. That worked a treat. Off you going. Yeah, that's it. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
3 days, I don't know what I'm saying, neither does he. Right, we'll go over to the base station, see what that sounds like on the Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21, testing the Barracuda GT868 into our Midland 76900 base station. I remember to turn the tannoy system down as well for this part of the test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pop it on low power, 200 milliwatts. There we are on low power and back to full power. There we are back on full power. It's a hum test. If there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. But these tests don't suffer from hum. So there we go. So tomorrow we'll be doing a service job. And thank you for watching the Barracuda GT868 from 1981.